Got one. Oh, little rock bass. Little rock bass. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Okay, so we are at Glade Creek. We're still in West Virginia, obviously. This is day 2. I'm gonna see if I can maybe catch a trout or two. I don't know what we're gonna catch here, but look at this water. That is just so pretty. But yeah, I'm really excited. Look at this. That is so pretty. Anyway, I'll show you what we're using, and then we're gonna get down here and we're gonna see if we can catch some stuff. All right, y'all. So this is what we're using today. It's a Joe's fly. I cut the treble hook off of it because the treble hook that I had on this one didn't have I didn't have a chance to snip the barbs off of it, so this will work. I'm going to use the current. Oh, it's a smallie. That's pretty. Look at that. Look at the dark on him. He was right behind that rock. He's a butterball. Just eating everything that comes down here. I'm gonna put him back in right here. Okay. Well, I thought there'd be a trout there. I was not expecting there to be a smallmouth there. Alright, y'all, I know it's hard to hear me, but the reason I fished that, you have this current right here, and then you have this big boulder right here, and then there's a ledge underneath that boulder. I thought there might be a trout under there, but there isn't, so at least I caught a smallie. That's pretty cool. Let's keep moving. Alright, so we have to be careful here. Ooh, that water's cold. It feels good, but it's cold. Gonna dip in right here. I would like to fish that spot, but we just blew it up. Gotta be careful, these rocks are slicker than nail snot. This pool up here looks pretty good. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Okay, so I'm here. I got this little pool behind me. I have river on that side, river on that side. It's really cool. It's the new river, by the way. I tied on little Joe's fly. Got this going. Hopefully we can catch something back there, because I think there are little fish in there, but I'm not sure what they are. They're probably bluegill and stuff, but a little smallie wouldn't do that. But let's get out there. All right. Got one. Oh, well, rock bass. Little rock bass. He's pretty. Not as pretty as the ones yesterday, but their eyes are so pretty. The orange on them and stuff. Stand back a little bit because I don't want the fish to see me. That is. Look at this little rock bass right here. Alright, bud. Look at him. Eating really well. So pretty. Well, if that's all that's in here, probably move over to the river. Alright y'all, look at this spot right here. This is sick. It's a log. Just be careful with it then. Oh, that's a good sized bluegill. Whew. Look at that. Oh, that is cool. Now look at the colors on that thing. It's so pretty. It's got like black up in here. Oh, rock bass. Alright, he's still fighting. Good? There's a little rock bass. Alright y'all, so that looks like a good spot to end it on.